Hey friends, in this video I'm sharing the recipe for white sugar sponge cake. It's a soft and spongy cake similar to Vietnamese steamed honeycomb cake. The recipe is super easy with just a few ingredients. The ingredients are as follows: water, active dry yeast, rice flour, sugar, and vegetable oil. This Chinese style cake, unlike the Vietnamese version, does not have coconut milk. Starting with 2 cups room temperature water, transfer 1/4 cup to another cup or bowl. Microwave the 1/4 cup water on high power for 10 seconds. Check the temperature and make sure it's between 100 and 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Add the active dry yeast and half a teaspoon sugar. Combine together to moisten the yeast. Now let rest for 10 minutes. Transfer the rice flour into a medium bowl. Add 3/4 cup water to the rice flour and combine together. Work in all the dry flour and stir until the mixture is smooth. The mixture will be thick at this point. Add sugar to the remaining water. Combine together. Microwave the water and sugar mixture on high power for 45 seconds. Stir the mixture to help dissolve the sugar. Again, check the temperature to make sure the liquid is not too hot, as it will kill the yeast. After resting for 10 minutes, the yeast should be active and foamy. Add the yeast to the rice flour mixture. Also add the water and sugar mixture. Stir together, combining all the ingredients. Use a spatula to scrape the side and bottom of the bowl to incorporate all the rice flour. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap. Transfer the bowl into a microwave or oven. Next to the bowl, place 2 cups boiling water. This adds heat to help proof the batter. Close the door and let the batter rest for 1.5 to 2 hours. After resting for 1.5 to 2 hours, the batter should have large bubbles on the surface. If you don't see large bubbles, let it rest for another 30 minutes. Stir the batter well. This is an optional step. Transfer into a measuring cup. Coat the inside of a 9-inch round pan with a generous amount of vegetable oil. Transfer the cake pan into the steamer tray. Fill a steamer basin half full with water. Cover and bring to a rapid boil over high heat. When the water comes to a rapid boil, reduce the heat to medium. Add the steamer tray with the cake pan inside. Stir the batter a few more times, and then pour into the cake pan. Skim off any large bubbles from the top. Wrap a towel around the lid and then cover the steamer. Steam the cake for 25 to 30 minutes. To test for doneness, insert a toothpick into the cake. No wet batter should stick to the toothpick. A few moist crumbs is okay. Turn off the heat and let the cake rest in the steamer for 10 minutes. This gradual cooling helps the cake not deflate. Remove the cake pan from the steamer and allow it to cool for another 10 minutes. Use a spatula to loosen the cake from the side of the pan. Transfer the cake to a plate. To serve, simply cut into slices. Freshly steamed, the white sugar sponge cake is deliciously soft and moist. The cake is not too sweet and, like its name indicates, is wonderfully spongy. Hi, I hope you've enjoyed this easy how-to video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to post below. For full recipes, check out RunAwayRice.com. I work on new recipes each week, so please subscribe to my channel to stay tuned. This is Trang wishing you good eating and good health. Thanks for watching.